Are you down to your last dollar? No worries! Our life hacks will help! Do you want to know how to make several sunny-side-up breakfasts from just one chicken egg? Sounds fake, right? First, put the egg in the freezer. It is better to do this in the evening and leave the egg until morning. Remove the frozen egg from the fridge. Pour warm water into a bowl. Dip the egg into it. Remove the shell. The egg is easy to clean after the warm bath. Cut the egg into circles. Place the circles on a hot frying pan. Fry them as usual. Don't forget salt. Serve the set of mini fried eggs with any garnish. Cute, right? You made a whole 5 eggs out of just 1. You can even share this breakfast with a friend. This eyeliner is completely dry. Don't just go to the store for a new one. Use colored pencils for drawing instead of eyeliner. Take a glass of boiling water. Put the pencils in the water. The water softens the lead so it can leave marks on your skin. Do a colorful fantasy makeup look. A cat eye made with colored pencils looks very juicy and expressive. Experiment with shades and blast the summer with bright colors. No matter how well you dress and how much makeup you put on, a dull complexion can ruin all your hard work. My skin is so dry. Oh no! Okay, do I have any moisturizer somewhere? It's out! Wow, this is really not the right time. Here's a recipe for a mask that you can make using stuff you already have. You need spinach leaves and plain liquid yogurt. Process the leaves with the yogurt in a blender. Spread the mask on your face. Leave it on for 15 minutes. Unfortunately, my poor baby puppy doesn't recognize me in my new Salad Woman face mask. That's weird. I thought I looked good in green. Wash off the mask and admire the result of deep moisture. Your fine wrinkles are smoothed out and your skin looks refreshed. You are date ready! My toothbrush is ruined! Regular boiling water will help bring it back to life. Dip the brush into the water and stir. The result will be visible right away. Boiling water disinfects and restores the shape of the brush. The toothbrush is as good as new and ready to clean your teeth twice a day. Can't imagine your morning without a cup of coffee? Don't just throw away the coffee grounds, you still need them. Put them in a clean bowl. Add a spoonful of vegetable oil. Use this coffee mix instead of a body scrub. Apply the scrub with soft massaging movements. Wash it away with water, no soap. Ground coffee exfoliates the skin and removes minor blemishes. Disposable razors have such a short lifespan, but not that many people know that even disposable razors can be sharpened. First, you need to clean it. Wash it under hot running water. For sharpening the blades, use your jeans. Apply the blade to the pants and move it up and down the fabric. The denim aligns the notches on the blade, thereby providing a smoother cut. And the razor slides easily along the leg, making your skin perfectly smooth. Batteries always die at the worst possible time. What can you do if there is no time to run to the store and you only have a tiny battery? You need tinfoil. Take a small piece and fold it into a small square. Place the foil in the gap between the battery and the power supply source. It will keep the battery in the connector and will serve as an excellent electrical conductor. Close the lid. Yay! Your favorite nightlight is working again. Let there be light. A penny saved is a penny earned. How can you save on tea? We're about to tell you. Cut a tea bag. Bend the edge. Staple it. Do the same with the second part of the tea bag. Take out the clip and detach the bags. Take some thread. Staple it to each bag. Now take a sheet of sticker paper. Cut out lucky clover leaves. Glue the threads. This is how one tea bag can be divided into 2 cups. Everyone gets their own bag, and you can adjust how steeped your tea is. Have a nice tea party! It is such a shame to buy a new bag and then find out that the shirt is allergic to the strap. Just look! Poor thing! It's all covered with annoying little pills. An old toothbrush comes to the rescue. Brush over the fabric and all the pills stay on the bristles. Just a few minutes and the shirt is fine again. Want to have clean and healthy skin? Always wash off your makeup before going to bed. But as usual, you run out of micellar water at the worst possible moment. Olive oil will help wash off your makeup quickly and easily. Drip some oil on a cotton pad. Remove your makeup with soft movements. Eyeshadow, blush, lipstick, everything will stay on the cotton pad, not on your skin. Wipe your face with cotton pads until they are clean. Perfect! And most importantly, no chemicals. For the next life hack, you need baking soda and soap. Grate a piece of soap. Pour in some baking soda. Add some water and stir with a spoon. Add in some rose oil. Put the mixture into silicone baking molds. Remove the excess with a wooden spatula. Leave it overnight. Take out soap pieces from the mold. Are you planning to do laundry? Don't use detergent, just put this soap soda piece into the washing machine. Run the laundry as usual. This homemade laundry detergent will take care of simple stains just as good as any store-bought stuff. A hole in your favorite t-shirt can ruin even the most cheerful mood. Take a piece of canvas, beads, and a chain. Draw ice cream on the fabric. Sew beads to it. Decorate the waffle cone with a chain. Cut the drawing out along the outline. Fasten the ice cream to the place of the hole. A homemade pin will save and decorate your old t-shirt. They don't sell this kind of thing in stores. There's a mountain of dirty dishes in the sink, and we are almost out of soap. This is clearly not enough to wash all the plates. To make your life easier, use boiling water. Fill the plates with hot water. The dirt will soak, and all you need is to remove the food residue with a sponge and rinse the dishes out. Fast and easy. There was so much food at the party that no one finished the chips. This is not acceptable. In an open package, the chips will get soggy and lose their flavor. How much do binder clips cost? No, we don't like this price. For this life hack, you need a hanger for pants with clips. Shake the remnants of chips to the bottom and wrap the top of the package. Secure the package with the clothespin. Grab the second pack of chips with the second clothespin. Now the package is closed tightly. And one more small bonus, you save on the table by hanging chips on a nail. It doesn't get more convenient than this. How can you get rid of stains and not spend your whole salary at the store? The answer is obvious. Use our life hack. Put a towel in a deep container. Pour 4 glasses of water. Add 2 spoons of hydrogen peroxide and a spoon of liquid ammonia. Stir and leave for a couple of hours. The earlier you find and process the stain, the easier it will be to wash it off. Due to the chemical properties of peroxide and ammonia, the spots disappear without a trace on the fabric. Miracles are everywhere! Well, did you like our thrifty life hacks? Let us know which one you will definitely use. Like this video and subscribe to our channel. Click on the bell to be the first to see even more useful ideas on Troom Select.